I've got to share this amazing camping gadget with you. With it, you can easily tow a camping trailer with your electric vehicle. Whether you're riding a backrest electric bike, a tube-style electric bike, a go-kart, an electric skateboard, a scooter, or a folding bike, it fits perfectly. It's compatible with a wide variety of vehicle models. Just imagine this. You're riding your electric vehicle, pulling a camping trailer behind you. You can go camping wherever you want. It's incredibly free and convenient. If you're a camping enthusiast, don't miss out on this. Save it right away. It'll really come in handy when you go camping.